車門即將關上。The train doors are closing.
歡迎乘搭 Bravo 線往蒼崖。Welcome to the Bravo line to Le Monde. 本班為 Bravo 線列車，下一站係德沙嶺。This is the Bravo line train. The next station is Verto Heights. 即將到達德沙嶺站，乘客可以喺呢個站落車轉乘東環線或球場線。Approaching Verto Heights Station, passengers can disembark here for the East Ring Line or Stadium Line.
請小心列車月台間之空隙。Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.